10. Cool motorcycle gadgets. Whether you are a casual rider, a daily commuter, or a pro motorcycle rider, having the cool new gadgets can make a huge difference in your riding experience. If you are a bike lover, your motorcycle may be one of your most favorite things and you want to make your ride as smooth as silk, without sacrificing style for safety or other things. Today we come with some handy, super cool, and useful motorcycle gadgets, no matter what type of bike you ride. Number 1. Freecon Motorcycle Bluetooth Helmet. It's dangerous and quite annoying to hold your cell phone or control of calls, answering while riding. The Freecon Bluetooth motorcycle helmet is equipped with Bluetooth that keeps you connected with a cell phone, music player, and GPS easily and stably. Advanced DSP echo cancellation and noise suppression technology offer you clear music and intercom voice even at high speed. Number 2. Moringa Motorcycle USB Charger. Moringa 5V 4.8. A motorcycle USB charger can solve your charging problem while long ride. It has a power on/off switch and built-in voltmeter and ammeter display which indicates input and output voltage status. It offers over temperature protection and short circuit protection. Number 3. Bike Master Multi-Tool with Sockets. It's not sure when your motorcycle needs repair. You should have a complete motorcycle tool kit with you that will help you to fix it instantly. The Bike Master Multi-Tool with Sockets can be your top choice. Its multi-tool with sockets has just about everything you might need for a quick roadside fix, and additionally, it can fit right in your pocket. Number 4. V1 Motor Tire Repair Kit. All rider has a common fear of getting a flat in the middle of nowhere. But the V1 Motor Tire Repair Kit can make a great help for roadside emergencies. It comes with 5 small CO2 canisters to re-inflate a flat and can be used this kit for tubeless tires as well. It's perfect with its dimensions and easily fits in your saddlebag or luggage box. Number 5. Helmet Visor. Motorcycle Helmet Visor Shield is a UV ray protected accessories part. Windproof frame made in super light and comfortable. It is suitable for open face helmets, retro helmets, and perfect for all seasons. Number 6. Helmet Lock. A premium motorcycle helmet is well worth the investment. Helmet Lock is a carabiner-style lock, with a 4-digit programmable locking mechanism, designed to lock your helmet to your bike, while compact enough to fit in your pocket or on your belt loop. The Helmet Lock D-bar extension for helmets utilizing a quick-release style buckle. Number 7. Anti-Gravity AGXP3 MicroStart Power Supply. Motorcycles tend to have pretty small batteries, and while this helps to shave off weight, it can also mean a dead battery when left unused for a few weeks. But the Anti-Gravity AGXP3 MicroStart Power Supply is a cool compact gadget with enough power to jump a dead bike battery and can start a gas engine up to 5.7 liters V8. Number 8. Sena 20S EVO 01 Motorcycle Bluetooth Headset Communication System. Sena 20S is their state-of-the-art model, with the latest Bluetooth 4.1 technology, up to 8 riders on a single network, and an impressive 1.2-mile range. It includes a cool feature called audio multitasking, which creates a seamless blend of your audio transmission. Number 9. Motorcycle Airbag Vest. The airbag vest takes a massive step forward in motorcycle safety. This airbag vest can be worn underneath any jacket, thereby providing the principle of protection. It is a motorcycle jacket type and suitable for almost any season. Number 10. Scott Oiler E-System Electronic Chain Oiler New V3.1 High Temperature Kit. Chain maintenance is one of the most important things to keep your motorcycle's good performance. It does require regular attention. But the Scott Oiler E-System Electronic Chain Oiler can solve your chain lubing duties. Easy and quick fit onto your bike, increases chain and sprocket life on your bike. Your motorbike may need extra care. And to look stylish and make safer of your motorcycle riding, you can follow those super efficient and cool gadgets as your requirement.